In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Yahoo email group. If you regularly email the same set of people, creating a group in Yahoo Mail can save you a lot of time and help you avoid missing anyone from the thread. Let's walk through it together, step by step, in a way that's simple to follow. First, sign into your Yahoo Mail account on the Yahoo Mail website using your usual login credentials. Make sure you're on the main inbox page after you log in. If you're using a shared or public computer, it's a good idea to log out when you're done for privacy. Next, look for the contacts icon. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find it on the left sidebar or near the top right. It often looks like a small silhouette or an address book. Click it to open your contacts. Inside Contacts, navigate to the Lists tab. This is where Yahoo keeps your email groups. If you don't see it immediately, give the page a moment to load, or maximize your browser window to reveal hidden tabs. Click the Create List button to start building your new email group. Think of a list as a container that holds a set of contacts you want to email together. When prompted, enter a clear, meaningful name for the group. Choose something you'll recognize instantly, like Project Team, Family Updates, or Client Newsletter. A good name makes it easy to find later and reduces the chance of sending to the wrong list. Now add contacts to the group. You can type in email addresses directly, or select from your existing Yahoo contacts. As you type, Yahoo may suggest matches from your address book. Double-check spellings to avoid bounces, and consider adding only the addresses you truly need so the group stays relevant. Once you've added everyone you want, click Save to finalize and create the group. Take a moment to confirm the group appears under the List tab. This tells you it's successfully set up. To email this group, compose a new message as you normally would, and in the To field, start typing the group's name. Yahoo Mail will auto-suggest the list. Select it, and your message will be addressed to all members in that group at once. You can manage the group anytime by returning to Contacts and opening the Lists tab. From there, you can rename the group, add or remove members, or update email addresses to keep everything current. And that's it. You've created a Yahoo email group, saved yourself time, and made your communication more consistent.